here is the current version of this Coil project. So I have made some changes here. So I changed this diode for this gate driver protection, and then I upgraded these diodes here. They are the flywheel diodes to protect these MOSFETs. And then I added these Opto sensors here. So they are measuring the time that it takes to projectile to fly from here to there, and then they can calculate speed of the velocity of that projectile. And then I changed the old capacitor to this power film capacitor, which has very low resistance and very low inductance. So it should be better for this application, and the current race time should be a lot better, and also the peak current should be very good. So here's this new diode I chose for this protection here, and I made these 3D models and so on from these specs here. Then there is this new power film capacitor. This one I chose for this application, so it's this line here, and from here we can see that, so it's total 210 nanofarads, and it can handle up to 500 volts. So later I can even upgrade that 60 volt to a lot higher. Then there is this inductance, which is only 19 nanohenries, and then this resistance is only 1.6 milliohms, and this should be able to handle up to 840 amps. So it should create very great magnetic field inside the coil. So this was this capacitor here, and it has this total 4 pins. So here is this plus, and then here is this minus side. Then I chose these photo sensors to measure this velocity of the projectile. And then this is this schottky diode. So this can also handle up to 300 amps, and there is 2 of them. So I think this should be able to handle like 600 or 700 amps. And this, I also improved these planes. So if I hide this component, so there should be much better current flow now. And I have to, for this, I made this pretty fast, so I have to fix this and make it a little bit better. It's just proto of this velocity measuring now.